Howdy campers and crafters, I'm Gunadie and you're watching a very special outdoor episode of Handmade Tested, the series where we put past handmade projects to the test. Today we're making some art with balloons and darts. Let's get testing.
We could just use these as they are, but I think I want an orange. I think I want more of a lighter purple. So I also brought some water bottles and we're just gonna use these to mix other colors.
Love you, Karen, but there's no way I'm mixing paints. We're just gonna go straight from the store. All right, so we're gonna take our funnel, put it in the balloon. Tutti Frutti pink. All right, here we go. Ooh, it's going in. How much do I need to put? Is that enough? Ooh. Now we need to inflate the balloon. There's no way I'm putting my mouth on this, so let's pump it up. Being very careful not to pop the balloon. No, okay, no. I'm so scared this is gonna pop on me. Okay. And now we have to just tie it. Come on, come on, come on. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, we've got a balloon, decent size, a lot of pink paint in there. If this is the size of my canvas, how many balloons do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or 10, 11, 12. All right, blue, put that in there, a nice amount. That's enough, right? Let's just wipe this down a bit. So I don't, oh, no, everything's just gonna be painty today. Oh, it's too slippery. Okay. If possible, make sure the paint goes down into the bottom of the balloon and not all up on the edges, because this is very slippery. It's too slippery to grasp. There's paint getting everywhere. Here we go. All right, so here's the thing. Karen did recommend
You don't need high quality paint for this project.
I used what paint I had available, which was acrylic. And I feel like I may have just ended up painting the insides of the balloons. So for some of these, we added a bit of water, hopefully to keep the paint wet and create a nice splatter effect. But we'll see how it goes. All right, it's time to attach our balloons to our canvas.
So in order to get these balloons onto the canvas, you could tape them. I thought that might kind of ruin the splatter effect once you remove the tape. So what we're gonna try is using a needle and thread through the top of the balloon, just to kind of tack that on there.
So in the interest of time, and because I'm pretty sure the paint is drying on the balloon, I'm just gonna tape these on, trying not to get two of the same color side by side.
Okay, it's taken us a few hours, but we are finally here to the best part of this project. We're gonna use darts, we're gonna throw them at the canvas, we're gonna pop the balloons, the paint is gonna go everywhere. It's gonna be super fun. You guys ready?
Okay, not a darts expert by any means, but here goes nothing. Whoa! It worked! And the last one. Woo! That's why they say to use cheap paint. We did it! And we actually ended up with a work of art that I think looks pretty cool. This project was definitely very prep heavy, but it was a lot of fun. Definitely use cheap washable paint because it will get everywhere. What do you think of my creation? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Stay crafty.